First off, let me start off with being like, oh my gosh, I haven't posted in forever. So you haven't seen this mug. It's been a while. I've had to shift from primarily woodworking to now I'm going into 3D printing, which I love. I've been wanting to 3D print for forever, and as of now, I've been doing it for a full year. There's been a lot of success and a lot of failure, and I think you learn more from your failures than you do your success. This has been an incredible experience, and I would love to keep sharing it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. I have been working on filament drawers. It is a way to store our filament without having to worry about, stacking or having everything fall off. That's been one of our biggest issues, is having to stack our filament or keep track of it, and the machines can go haywire while they're sitting on top of the shelving. And when they do that, I've had to run into the room after I've heard a large crash. It's like, oh my gosh, something's wrong with the printer. Anyone that's been in the 3D printing side knows that any sound, noise, any extreme vibration is an immediate, let me make sure the printer's doing good. That being said, we're in the process of making the drawers, and in the middle of doing it, I think I've enjoyed doing the drawers. There's not too many pieces involved. The print time, I think, altogether for everything is 5.5, 6 hours. And some of the hardware I can buy at Home Depot, which I've gotten. Right now, we've only gotten 2, and I've made enough for 4. I ordered some slides off of Amazon. I'm waiting for them to get here on Monday, but we're gonna take a tour of the setup, and then I'm going to go through the process of cleaning up the area and getting it more prepared for the drawers, because right now the way it's set up, you can see them behind me, that one is Dee Dee from Dexter's Lab. The way the drawers are going to set up is I'm going to stack them. And the wife and I were talking about aesthetically, what we want to do is we want to just use a faceplate, one common color, because she's talking about how the multicolor system that we have going on right now is throwing her off a little bit, and I want to be more appeasing to her as well. So this is a good way for us to go through the process of making these items and then putting them together and assembling. Not from the recommended use parts, and now I'm paying for it because the drawer is no longer closing all the way through. But I think my wife is going to enjoy that, because she doesn't like the fact that it takes a little more effort, like this right here. Like, you have to kind of pull it just to get it out of the soft close.